Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk today, and this is Movistar's XQ Dual. We are going to do the unboxing. So, Movistar is a new Vietnamese company just coming to India. It is definitely an established brand there. Now, going to the specs, it has a 5.5-inch FHD display, 2.5D curved glass. It has a front camera of 13 plus 8 megapixel, which is a wide-angle dual selfie, and at the back, you are getting a 13 megapixel rear camera. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor. It has a 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. It comes with a fingerprint sensor, 3000 milliampere battery is the capacity, and it is running on Android 7.1.2. We will talk about this later. Right now, we are going to check it. What are the contents in the box? So, as you can see here, it is the smartphone we are taking out of the plastic wrapper. Now talking about the color, this is the black color. There will be also a gold color, and it comes with a metallic body. The top and the bottom are for the antenna lines, so they are literally plastic. And here I have peeled wrongly the screen guard, so screen guard is also peeled out. I just wanted to take out the normal cover of the screen guard, but anyways, when you are doing it, just do it little carefully so that your screen guard doesn't get damaged. Now talking about the device, it feels very light in weight, and we are also going to check the internal what it comes inside the box. So taking out, there is a back cover with the user guide manual and also the warranty card. This will be coming inside the box. The device is made in India, so let me clarify that also. You can pause the video and check the charger rating, and this is the micro USB charging slot where you can charge the device. There is no earphone ports, but there is a SIM card ejector tool. Now looking at the device, going through the design, here you can see there is a power button and also the SIM card tray. We will take it out and show you how's the tray. Here you can see the 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. There is also a little bump on the camera. There is a fingerprint sensor at the back, Movistar return. So you can see that in the bottom is also the antenna lines. Coming to the other side, here you can see the volume rocker keys are there. On the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack and a noise cancellation mic. Going to the downwards, you are getting a micro USB charging slot and the speaker grill. Now talking about the sale, it will go only on the online exclusive. We don't know the partner is Flipkart, Amazon or somebody else. But now talking about the tray, we will check it out how the setup is. Here you can see it comes with a hybrid SIM card slot with a nano SIM and a micro SD SIM, or you can use a one more nano SIM. So it is a hybrid SIM card slot. Talking about the front camera, it is 13 plus 8 megapixel with LED flash. So there is a LED flash, not a screen flash. Now talking about the OS, it is running on Android 7.1.2 with Skin UI, which is Movistar's own UI. That is one more thing. It doesn't come with any bloatware except the Flipkart. I'm not sure the Flipkart is uninstallable or not, but I haven't tried it. Now running through the specs again, it comes with the octa-core Snapdragon 430 processor, which is a good thing. Other companies go with the MediaTek, so that is an advantage. Now coming to the display, the display is still the old one, 16:9. It is not the 18:9 bezel-less display. I hope Movistar will bring the new display, and definitely there is a face unlock missing in the smartphone. One more important key feature, it is running on Android 7.1.2 Nougat, which is really very old. So not the good part. We are getting an old OS. The face unlock is definitely missing, and these both things can be updated by a software. So definitely I guess that Movistar will roll out a new software update for the Oreo and the face unlock, as it is not a big deal. Now coming to the 16:9, you can compromise with it because the price point will be lesser than 9,000. So definitely, which will be a catch for the device. So here we have seen few more settings in the anti-theft SOS. These settings are given inside the smartphone. There are some smart gestures, smart features, so you can play around with them and check it out. Currently, the OS looks pretty much fluid. I still don't know after loading few apps how it will play, and I haven't tried and tested with installing any games in the device. So that is one more major thing. I haven't tried and tested those aspects also. But overall, the device looks smooth enough with the 3GB, 32GB, and Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor is definitely a valid point to go around with the price budget smartphone. Now, talking about the device in the software, you don't get a bloatware, but definitely you get a theme gallery where you can install n number of themes, and it has a skin, so it will change the device into looking a feel different. But I will still not recommend to play around with it, because if there is a heavy theme, it will slow or lag your mobile. Now, coming to the other part, it doesn't come with any internal browser. There is all Google apps are given inside the device, so you can run with the Google Chrome as your default browser. Now, talking about the dialer messaging app, these are pretty much similar. There is not a big change in the app, and it works out well currently. So I haven't tried and tested each and everything, not the sound quality or the audio quality. The battery is definitely 3000 milliampere, but haven't tried and tested its longevity. Now, coming to the camera app, it is very simple. In the top, you are getting the flash button, the filters, the timer, and also the settings to the SDR mode, night mode, and the pro mode. In the bottom, you get some more actions in the settings, so you can play around with those. Now, talking about the camera quality, the colors are good enough, the reproduction, but in some case it also washes away. Here you can see it is blown out. Now, the detailing is fine enough. I am completely okay with the detailing. As you can see here, the colors are crisp and real. It is not oversaturated. This is using of the wide angle. The detailing, you can see the hairs and everything, it came out well. Now, talking about the normal front camera, it is also well. Here you can see the difference between the wide angle and the normal camera. Now, coming to the device, the device is expected to be priced under 9,000. So this is all about Mobistar XQ Dual. This is at the rate ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.